Cloudflare has announced that agents can now create Cloudflare accounts, buy domains, and deploy directly to Cloudflare all by themselves. Agents can now be Cloudflare customers. We have entered the agentic world. They can create a Cloudflare account, start a paid subscription, register a domain, and get back an API token to deploy code right away, all without you having to be in the loop. Once again, we are moving closer and closer toward a zero human world where humans are not needed at all. They are out of the loop. Let's look at the docs here from Cloudflare because they give us some very important information. Coding agents are great at building software, but to deploy to production, they need three things from the cloud. They want to host their app, an account, a way to pay, and an API token. Until now, these have been tasks that humans had to handle directly. Increasingly, agents handle them on the user's behalf. The agent needs to perform all the tasks a human customer can. They're given higher order problems to solve and choose to use Cloudflare and call Cloudflare APIs. Now agents can provision Cloudflare on behalf of their users. They can create a Cloudflare account, start a paid subscription, register a domain, and get back an API token to deploy code right away. Humans can be in the loop to grant permission and must accept Cloudflare's term of service, but no human steps are otherwise required from start to finish. So we have end-to-end AI agentic workflow here with deploying to Cloudflare. This is truly amazing. I love Cloudflare. I use Cloudflare all the time. All of my websites are using Cloudflare pretty much for the most part. I just love Cloudflare so much. And this just makes having an agent deploy to Cloudflare so much easier. The actually making an account and starting a subscription so much easier, buying a domain so much easier. Like, it's just so exciting. So there's no need to go to the dashboard, copy and paste API tokens, or enter credit card details. Without any extra setup, agents have everything they need to deploy a new production application in one shot. So we are going to see so many products, so many workflows just get one-shotted now with AI agents because of all the tools they're able to call. And they stay here with Cloudflare's code mode MCP server and agent skills. They're even better at it, right? This all works via a new protocol that we've co-designed with Stripe as part of the launch of Stripe projects. And I'm going to make a video after this one on the Stripe announcement because it's just amazing what is coming out nowadays. We're excited to launch this new partnership with Stripe and also offer $100,000 in Cloudflare credits to all new startups who incorporate using Stripe Atlas. So did you just hear that? They're offering $100,000 in Cloudflare credits to all new startups who incorporate using Stripe Atlas. Tune into my next video so you can get the whole scoop. But this video is just as important for anybody who builds and is creating websites and creating products and creating anything online. So they state, but this new protocol also makes it possible for any platform with signed in users to integrate with Cloudflare in the same way Stripe does, with zero friction for the end user. I think this is the second massive online purchase revolution we're going to see here. At first it was humans, but now we're going to see AI online purchase explosion take off. That's just my prediction. I could be wrong, but what they're implementing here is going to allow for that. So quick instructions. All you got to do is install the Stripe CLI with the Stripe projects plugin. log into Stripe, and then start a new project. Then you're going to prompt your agent to build something new, whatever you want to build, deploy it to a new domain. You can watch a video on their website about it. We're going to skip that part. If the email you're logged into Stripe with already has a Cloudflare account, you'll be prompted with the typical OAuth flow, and then you just grant the agent access. If there's no Cloudflare account or email you logged in with, Cloudflare will provision an account automatically for you and your agent. But just use a Cloudflare account. You can log in with Google, whatever you want to do. Just create an account. You will see the agent build and deploy a site to a new Cloudflare account, and then use the Stripe project CLI to register the domain. The agent will prompt for input and approval when necessary. For example, if your Stripe account doesn't yet have a linked payment method, the agent will prompt you to add one. I would suggest just go ahead and add one if you haven't already before you even get started with this. At the end, the agent has deployed to production, and the app runs on the newly registered domain. So this is so super huge. Out of all the videos that I've ever made or am going to make, this one is by far my favorite. The next one I'm going to make in just a second about Stripe is got to be the top of the top, creme de la creme as of right now, because of the capabilities it's getting ready to unlock in terms of agent to agent purchasing, just agent to business purchasing. Just having the agents be able to make purchases just unlocks so many doors. Of course, there's a lot of security risks involved with all of this, but we'll get into that in the next video, because Stripe claims to have solved that issue, at least for users not having to give the agent access to their actual card information. So I just think this is so huge, so pivotal, so important. I'm just honored to be able to bring this information to you guys. I love keeping up with the AI developments. It's literally happening like every day now. This Cloudflare one is going to change the game, because it's going to allow agents to have more access, be able to one-shot deployments, one-shot products, get it out there, deploy it to their customers so much faster, so much quicker, much more efficiently, and be able to provide much more productivity in everything that devs or anybody is building with this technology. So I am super excited. If you can't tell, we have agent skills that Cloudflare is going to use. MCP servers are literally taking off and being connected to everything, anything and everything you can think of. So the AI has connections that it can just go in and connect to it and just unlock so many different possibilities. Like I said, we're moving towards this zero human world where AI is just literally doing almost everything pretty much. And Cloudflare literally reiterated that, like, humans can be in the loop to grant permission and accept Cloudflare's term of service, but no human steps are otherwise required from start to finish. End-to-end agentic workflows. We've been seeing and hearing about this possibility, and now it's happening. All within just a matter of 4 months, almost 5 months now, right? The year essentially is still just started. We only moving into the second quarter as of right now, and we have so much that has been handed down to us, so much given to us on a silver platter. It's amazing. I can't keep up. I'm gonna try to keep up, but I love bringing you guys this information because it just makes me so excited, and I just love being able to share this with you guys. If you don't have the ability to keep up with everything that's going on, like I said, it's even hard for me to keep up with everything that's going on, but I try my best. But there you have it. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to see more content like this, subscribe to the channel. If you have any suggestions for content you want to see in the future, let me know down in the comment section below. I'm going to try to keep you guys as updated as I can. Today I'm dropping, I think, like 4 videos today. I'm going to be try to drop more videos, or at least drop whenever there's content I believe that you guys would like. But let me know down in the comment section so I know what you guys want to see more of. That way I can help you guys stay up to date on the things that you actually want to see, and I don't just give you guys what I want to see. But there you have it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.